Have you been searching for an RV-friendly home? If so, welcome to 5119 Veeder Crest. This home can not only house your motorhome, but it also has paid-off solar. Now, when the owners purchased this home, they extended out this wall and they installed this 10-foot gate. And if you're curious about the depth and the width, from the house to the wall is a little over 20 feet, and from the edge of the cement to the back wall is 55 feet. This beautifully updated home is almost 2,100 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, which includes a bed and bath downstairs. This kitchen is the hub of the home. The upgrades are simply amazing. Check out this island. It's the owner's favorite. Check out this backyard space. You have a full-length aluminum wood patio and this gigantic space to entertain your guests. The owners purchased the solar panels 4 years ago. They paid $28,000 for 17 panels that produce 5,100 watts. Now that I've shown you how special this property is, contact me for details.